Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove margins on your page in Microsoft Word. So let us get straight in. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure that you have an open document and you have text. So I am now on the website, not using the desktop app. So we're going to go up to our toolbar at the top and we're going to look for layout. Now this will be exactly the same. It might just be in a different place. We're going to look for margins here. And we're going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says custom margins. Now, as you can see clearly, there's a top, left, bottom, and right. So, of course, you can now remove the margin at your top. So, let's say we want to make this 1 point, and our bottom we want to make 1 point as well. But the left and right we want to make 0, and this one as well. We want to make 0. Now we just tap on OK. Now, the reason for this is because by default, you'll have 1 inch on each side of your page, and now you can actually increase the size and it'll go all the way to the end of the page, as you can see over here. If this was helpful, drop us a like. If you have an alternative, you can leave it in the comment section below. We will see you in another awesome video. Cheers.